Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you the 3 best websites where you can watch anime for free and legally, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So for the first website to watch anime for free is Bilibili. So Bilibili is a video sharing platform just like YouTube, but the difference is it focuses mostly on anime contents and series. So to watch anime on this website, it's so simple, since if you look at the homepage, you will instantly see different popular anime series you can watch. But if you want to find more anime, then just go to the anime tab. And then you will now be able to see a bunch of anime series you can watch in high quality. So just select whatever you like. So let's say that you want to watch this anime for example, so to do that, you just need to click or tap it, and then you will now be watching the anime. And also, all the episodes of the anime will be right here, so just select the episode you want to watch. And that's just how you watch an anime on this website guys. Now that we're done, let's now proceed to the next website. So the next website to watch anime is Tubi TV. So Tubi TV is a free streaming service that offers a wide range of movies and TV shows, including some anime. So to watch anime on this website, just click the browse option at the top. And after that, you will now be able to see the anime option in one of these genres, so just select it. And then there it is guys, you will now see many different animes you can watch, so just select the anime and then you will be able to watch it. And for the third and last website to watch anime for free is Crunchyroll. So Crunchyroll is a popular streaming service specializing in anime. It offers a vast library of anime titles, ranging from classics to the latest releases, and compared to the other 2 websites, Crunchyroll has a better interface and wider anime library. It also has many different translations for other languages, so this website is really versatile. So to watch anime on this website, it's so simple since if you will take a look at the homepage, you will already be able to see a bunch of different anime you can watch. So just select whatever you like and then you will be able to watch it. But if you can't find the anime you want to watch at the homepage, then you can just search it up right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the anime, so you can now select it to watch. So that's all for the 3 best websites to watch anime for free guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.